How many of you guys love flock trees like I do? Every store you go in and you see a flock tree, you can't help but flock to the tree because it's so absolutely gorgeous until you look at that price tag. Well, today we're going to take this green tree and we're going to turn it into a flocked masterpiece. What you're going to need to do first is to add some additional lights to the lights that you already have and make sure it has a yellow glow to the additional lights so you can give a little bit of warmth from the tree. Next, you're going to need some flocked garland. I purchased my garland from Walmart, and I got the kind that has the wire in it. I like that better because it's easy to shape into the mold you need it to be in. You're going to also need some really good wire cutters to be able to cut your garland. And once you cut the size that you choose to work with, then begin to shape it and start adding it to your tree. Now, you could decide how thick you want your flocking to be or how loose you want it to be. Some trees are completely flocked and some are slightly flocked. So I wanted to do in between the full and the slight. So that is totally up to you how you choose to do your flocking. Also use some of the smaller branches to attach your garland to your tree. Now, if working in sections is better for you, what I would suggest you do is to start at the top of the tree and go around the perimeter of the tree with the garland, then go back and start working in the sections that you have created with the garland that you wrapped around the entire tree. Now make sure you're marrying the branches with the garland that you're adding into the tree because this is going to give a more realistic look of the tree as if the tree was flocked from the beginning. That's looking pretty good, guys. It looks really, really good. And here's my finished results. It turned out really, really pretty. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned. I have more videos on the way. Talk to you soon. Bye.